Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. In this video we're going to talk a little bit about adding a table of content to web pages here in Adobe Express. To get started, I'm going to go to the plus button. I'm going to go to a web page. I'm going to create from scratch. And I'm going to start to add my content. So for this demo, I'm just going to say demo. I'm going to come down here and add a split layout. And the important thing here is if you are adding in a table of contents is that you need to put in headers. So I'm going to hit the plus button, go to text, and I'm just going to say section 1. Now this could be anything that you want to call it. It could be Bob, it could be Fred, it could be the title of the area. It doesn't matter as long as we go in here and make it a heading 1. Or a heading 2. If I scroll down and add more content, let's say section 2, highlight it, go to heading 1, you're golden. If I continue to scroll and maybe I just want a text section and say section 3, choose H1, we can see that we now have 3 sections. Now I'm not going to build this entire page, I just want to show you how this functions. Once I have those headings set, I can select the plus button right here after my introductory page and go to Table of Contents. And now I have a clickable table of contents that will navigate me through my page. If you'd like to see what this looks like, hit the preview icon, scroll down, and now when I hit section 2, it will take me to the second section of the page. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again for another quick tip next week. And if you like what we're doing, let us know in a comment below.